This is Ghost.
We've always wanted to see it in person. We always wave at each other. We've waved at each other for like 3 years now.
Oh, yeah.
Never said hello. And then he came into work and I was like, do you drive that? And he's like, oh.
Well, whatever's inside that, I know what's there, but...
Yeah. Very clean, isn't it?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's millions.
So cool. What I'd give to have that amount of lights.
Yeah.
The only other person in Bendigo I know who has a HF antenna, a big fat one.
Yep. Yep.
I haven't seen anyone else apart from him and I, but...
Yeah. Well, this is Ghost, people.
Only the sound comes out there.
Yep.
Top there. Yep.
Go. Wow. If you can hear me, people, this is actually, if you can hear me, people, that sound's actually coming out of the top roof.
That's louder than you saw it.
Did you ask him to do that?
No, I didn't.
No, just
Yeah.
mindful of the business here.